Hey everyone, my name's Anders and today we're going to talk about how to make your Facebook profile a little bit cooler. Now I'm on my front page here right when I log into Facebook, and I'm just going to click over here on my name, Anders, and that's going to bring me to my profile. Now see, my Facebook cover is part of a film reel, but there are so many more things you can do with your Facebook cover. You can actually go to websites such as myfbcovers.com. And then you can just kind of scroll down here through my FB covers, and you can choose any one of these different Facebook covers to actually put up on top of your profile. If you like birds, there's birds. If you like cats, there's cats. There's so many different things you can do. In fact, I actually chose my own photo of a film reel that I took. All you need to do to change the cover on your Facebook is click Change Cover in the lower right-hand corner of the cover. Then you can either choose from photos that are online. If I click on that, any photo that's tagged of me on Facebook will show up, and I can just choose from one of these to be on my cover. Or I can upload a photo. You can take any photo that you've downloaded from the internet and use that as your photo at the top of your Facebook profile. So my name's Anders, and that's one way that you can make your Facebook profile a little cooler.